Good morning, Bitcoin. Today is Wednesday, May 2nd, 2018. My name is Thomas Hunt, and here's what's happening today in Bitcoin. The price of Bitcoin was up 0.5% in the last 24 hours, with a last of 9,111, a high of 9,184, and a low of 8,947. That's $1 for 10,972 Satoshis, getting very close to the 10,000 Satoshi barrier. Our top story: Bitcoin bulls seek breakout to 10K or higher, from CoinDesk. Let's go straight to the view. Bitcoin will likely witness a bull pennant breakout and rise towards $9,975, the 200-day moving average, and $10,000, the psychological hurdle. A daily close above $10,000 could bring a stronger rally to 11,306, the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement of the sell-off from 19,891 all the way down to 6,000. A downside break of the pennant pattern would weaken the bulls and would expose support up to 8,490 or 8,104, the 50-day moving average. Only a daily close below 7,823 would signal a bear revival. Bad news for the bears. Bitcoin could replace cash in 10 years. That's right, Bitcoin is back. It never left. After many investors liquidated their crypto and currency investments after tax season, mistake for them. Regulation shouldn't hold cryptocurrencies back as long as they're reasonable and fair. Cash use is declining, and according to Tim Draper, cryptocurrency is the future. Tim Draper on the future of cryptocurrency, his new book, and why Bitcoin will hit 250,000 by 2022. Tim Draper has always been bullish about Bitcoin, famously buying the Silk Road Bitcoins and running Draper University. Draper reached out to Forbes for an interview to talk about his new book. And while Draper said he didn't want to make any predictions, he does believe that Bitcoin will go to $250,000 a coin. As Draper says, as a hodler myself, I believe it's important to sacrifice in the short term for a long-term gain. Having a long-term approach to everything goes a long way, from investing to being an entrepreneur to just living your life. Think long-term, according to Tim Draper. Not just Bitcoin. OpenBazaar is gearing up for a radical redesign. That's right, OpenBazaar, something we haven't talked about for years now, is finally launching their own boring ICO token, which will be used for their marketplace. And why just stop there? They're also going to take altcoins and altcoins and altcoins, because that was the problem. The problem was you didn't take enough random cryptocurrencies. Increase that number. That'll fix the problem. I would short Ether before Bitcoin, says Citron's Andrew Left. Andrew Left, the activist short seller behind Citron Research, told CoinDesk on Tuesday that he thinks both Bitcoin and Ether, the cryptocurrency of the Ethereum network, are bubbles. If he had to choose one, though, he'd bet on Ether's price to fall. Addressing Bitcoin's merits in and of itself, he acknowledged the appeal of a decentralized asset, or a kind of digital gold, commenting, "I dig it." We dig Bitcoin too. Thanks for coming aboard, Andrew Left. Warren Buffett explains one thing people still don't understand about Bitcoin. Old people like Warren Buffett have no idea what Bitcoin is. Spoiler alert, Buffett retreads the old line saying that Bitcoin doesn't have intrinsic value, so it's more like gambling and less like investing. Once again, old people don't understand Bitcoin, don't think it has value, see it more like gambling than investing. And if it's gambling, you must be the best dice thrower ever, because I know people that have made hundreds of thousands and maybe even millions on Bitcoin. And I don't know anybody that's ever gambled and made $1 million. Except that one guy, he bet on the Jets. Things never worked out for that again though. Up 33%. Bitcoin's price has just had its best month of 2018. Well, duh. Everyone said Bitcoin was dead. It was 6,000 and going to 2,000. Henny penny, the sky is falling. But the sky didn't fall. Bitcoin's still here, and it's still valuable. I guess you'll have no choice but to buy Bitcoin now. And finally, the World Crypto Network is launching a new behind-the-scenes TV show, and you can only get it by joining the Patreon at patreon.com/WCN. Become a WCN member today. Join us and get cool behind-the-scenes content. Find out what goes on behind this green screen. I think there's just another green screen. And another green screen, and another green screen. But that's about it. We're out of time for this episode of Today in Bitcoin. Thanks for checking out the new format. We're using the new camera. We're using the shotgun mic, probably with mixed results. I'm sure I'll hear about the room. Tomorrow I hope to find my clip-on mics, and more importantly, find my battery charger, so this thing will stop blinking at me and letting me know that I'm running out of time, because we're running out of time. Until next time, bye-bye. From World Crypto Network Studios. It's a studio. It's a green screen. It's like a studio.